Hello guys, how are you? So this is the third video of this playlist. Okay, so if you don't see two videos, this is the these two videos in basic of array. So in this video, I solve a problem that is multiplication of two array. Of course, the two arrays are 2D. Okay, so I use the dev C++. You can use any code editor. Okay, so here you can see I have a two array. First is 2 cross 2 and second is 2 cross 3. Okay, so here you can see the all calculations. Okay, and this is the result matrix, that is 3 cross 2 cross 3. So let's go. Here we write the header file, and then we write the special function. First of all, we declare two array. Of course, the arrays are 2D, and another array is B, and the result array, that is A cross B, that is C. So here we can see the 2 cross 2 matrix, first matrix. So similarly, I write here 2 cross 2, and here you can see this matrix is 2 cross 3 matrix. So similarly, here you can write 2 cross 3 matrix, and our result matrix is 2 cross 3 matrix. Similarly, we write here 2 cross 3. Okay, now we need to initialize those array. Okay, so here you can initialize 1, 2, and similarly here 1, 2, 2. Here you can write 1 comma 2, and here 3 comma 4. Similarly, here we write 3 elements because here column is 3, 5, 6, 7, like that, and 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and our result matrix is 0 because after calculating the multiplication of those numbers, then we override 0 and put the value in this array. Initially we assign in 0. Now write a for loop. Int I is equal to 0 and I less than. This is for result matrix. Okay, so here we write the C matrix have 2 rows, so here you can write 2 and I plus plus, and we create the another for loop, that is inner for loop. This is denoted, this is indicate in the column of C. Int j is equal to 0, j plus plus, sorry, j less than. Here you can see C matrix have 3 columns, so here we write 3 and j plus plus. This is the row, this is for here 1 row and 2 row, and here you can see the column is 3, and similarly you can see 1 column, 2 column, and 3 column. But you can see we will do 2 operation over here. Similarly here 2 operation, and here 2 operation. So this is related to this row. Second matrix, how many row have in second matrix, that is 2 row. So here we do the 2 operation. If here have another row in say B matrix, so similarly here you can write in plus symbol and another multiplication. Okay, so basically we perform a 2 operation here. So here you can create another for loop, that is int k, that is equal to 0 and k less than. I say that B matrix, how many have row in B matrix, that is 2. So here you can write 2 because we have 2 operation over here. Every boxes have 2 operation. So here that's why we write here 2 and k plus plus. Initially we declare it this is into 0. The 6 elements in the C matrix all such zeros. Okay, so here you can see the I, and here write j. Okay, so you can see plus is equal to that means the elements of C array is overwritten again and again. Okay, so here you can write A and then multiply, and then b, and then terminate. So here you can see the first row of the A array is I, and second column in B's second column, I mean B matrix column is J. Okay, but here you can write K, and here we can write K, because K is starts from 0 and till continue to 1. So here you can see two numbers. Similarly, same here. I say that how many operation perform here? Two operation. So that's why we write those format. Okay. So this is successfully work. Then we display the result matrix, that is printf result result matrix is. Then again we use a for loop. Similarly, I is equal to 0, I less than. Here you can see the C matrix row is 2, so here we write 2 I plus plus, and then we use for column j is equal to 0, j less than. Here you can see j column 3, C have 3 column, C matrix have 3 columns, so similarly here we write C 3 and j plus plus. Then I print the result matrix, sorry, d, and we can give a tab for spacing, here I and here j. Okay, so here we give a /n for next line. So now if I run it, you can see 21, 24, 27, 47, 54, 61. You can check it. The result is same. So successfully we create this simple program for multiplication to array. So next video is about pointer array. So do subscribe and hit the like button if you like it. Okay, bye.